Seniors, avoid these 10 eating habits to prevent muscle loss after 60. As we grow older, one of the greatest concerns is maintaining physical strength and muscle health. From climbing stairs to carrying groceries, muscle strength affects virtually every aspect of our daily life. Unfortunately, as we age, muscle mass naturally begins to decline, a condition known as sarcopenia. However, while aging is a factor, there are certain eating habits that accelerate this muscle loss after 60, making it even more difficult to maintain strength and independence. On the flip side, understanding what we're eating and making healthier choices can significantly help reverse or slow this process. In this article, we'll uncover the 10 eating habits that can secretly sabotage your muscles after 60. More importantly, we'll explore the best foods to help you build stronger, more resilient muscles. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to make the right dietary choices to stay strong and independent for years to come. 1. The hidden danger of refined sugar. For many, a sweet snack might seem like a harmless indulgence. But the truth is, refined sugar wreaks havoc on muscle health, especially in older adults. Consuming sugary foods like candy, pastries, and sugary drinks spikes your blood sugar levels, leading to increased insulin production. Over time, this chronic spike in insulin can lead to muscle inflammation, which inhibits your muscles from repairing and growing properly. Moreover, sugar increases oxidative stress in the body, contributing to faster muscle fatigue and slower recovery after physical activity. Studies have shown that excess sugar reduces muscle protein synthesis, meaning even if you exercise, your muscles won't recover or grow as efficiently. Healthy alternative. Instead of refined sugars, opt for natural sources of sweetness like fruits, especially berries, apples, and pears. These provide fiber and essential nutrients without spiking your blood sugar. You can also use natural sweeteners like honey or dates in moderation. 2. Poor hydration, the silent muscle saboteur. Water is essential for every system in our body, and muscles are no exception. As we age, we may not feel thirsty as often, but dehydration is one of the most common culprits behind muscle weakness and fatigue in older adults. Muscles are made up of nearly 75% water, and without proper hydration, they become stiff, cramp more easily, and lose their flexibility. Dehydration also impairs circulation, reducing the flow of oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, which directly affects their ability to heal and grow. Healthy alternative. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. If plain water feels too monotonous, add a slice of lemon or cucumber for flavor, or try herbal teas. Foods high in water content, such as watermelon, cucumber, and oranges, also help hydrate your muscles. 3. Skipping protein, the fuel for your muscles. Protein is the building block of muscle. As you age, your body's ability to maintain muscle mass slows down. Without sufficient protein intake, your muscles will deteriorate faster than they can regenerate. Many older adults are not consuming enough protein daily, often falling short of the recommended amount of 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Healthy alternative. Incorporate more lean proteins into your diet. Eggs, fish, poultry, beans, and tofu are excellent sources of high-quality protein. Make sure every meal includes a protein source, and consider adding protein-rich snacks like Greek yogurt or protein shakes to support muscle health. 4. Over-reliance on processed foods. Processed foods, while convenient, are often packed with preservatives, unhealthy fats, and sodium, all of which contribute to inflammation and muscle weakness. Over time, these foods can damage the muscle fibers, leading to slower recovery and increased fatigue. Additionally, processed foods are often low in essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which are necessary for muscle maintenance and growth. Healthy alternative. Switch to whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Choose fresh fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. Preparing meals at home allows you to control the ingredients and avoid the hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium that come with processed foods. 5. Excessive consumption of fried foods. Fried foods are not only high in unhealthy fats but also create inflammation in the body. Consuming too many fried foods can slow down muscle recovery, increase joint pain, and make it more difficult to maintain muscle mass. The unhealthy fats found in fried foods can interfere with the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients needed for muscle function. Healthy alternative. Instead of frying, try baking, grilling, or steaming your food. Use healthier fats like olive oil or avocado oil when cooking. These fats are rich in monounsaturated fats, which support muscle function and overall heart health. 6. Not eating enough healthy fats. Fat is often misunderstood, but it's an essential nutrient for muscle health. Healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, help reduce inflammation and support muscle function. Without enough healthy fats, your body won't be able to absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in muscle strength. Healthy alternative. Incorporate more omega-3 rich foods like salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds into your diet. These fats help reduce muscle inflammation and promote muscle recovery. Healthy fats from avocados, olive oil, and nuts also support overall muscle health. 7. Consuming too much salt. While sodium is necessary for bodily functions, excessive salt consumption is linked to high blood pressure and increased water retention, which can lead to muscle cramps and weakness. When blood pressure is elevated, it puts extra strain on your heart and muscles, leading to faster fatigue and slower recovery. Healthy alternative. Opt for fresh, homemade meals instead of processed snacks or takeout food, which is often loaded with salt. Use herbs and spices like garlic, basil, and turmeric to flavor your food instead of salt. 8. Eating too many refined carbs. Refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, and rice have a high glycemic index, which means they spike your blood sugar levels quickly. These carbs offer little to no nutritional value and can lead to inflammation in the body, which weakens muscles over time. Consuming large amounts of refined carbs can also contribute to weight gain, further stressing your muscles. Healthy alternative. Switch to whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These provide steady energy for your muscles without causing spikes in blood sugar. Whole grains are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help keep your muscles and bones strong. 9. Overconsumption of caffeine. While a cup of coffee in the morning might seem harmless, excessive caffeine intake can lead to dehydration, which, as mentioned, negatively impacts muscle function. Caffeine acts as a diuretic, causing your body to lose water more rapidly. It can also interfere with sleep, which is crucial for muscle repair and recovery. Healthy alternative. Limit your caffeine intake to 1 or 2 cups per day, and make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Try replacing caffeinated drinks with herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint, which are hydrating and soothing. 10. Skipping meals. Skipping meals, especially breakfast, can cause a decline in muscle mass over time. When you skip meals, your body enters the catabolic state, where it breaks down muscle tissue for energy. This is particularly harmful for older adults, as muscle regeneration slows down naturally with age. Healthy alternative. Make sure to eat regularly, and include a source of protein in every meal. Start your day with a high-protein breakfast like eggs or Greek yogurt, and make sure lunch and dinner contain protein-rich foods like fish, chicken, or legumes. Best foods to boost muscle health after 60. Now that we've covered the habits that can damage your muscles, let's focus on the foods that can help keep your muscles strong and prevent muscle loss after 60. 1. Salmon. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and support muscle function. It also provides high-quality protein to help rebuild muscle tissue. Recipe idea. Grilled salmon with a side of roasted vegetables. This meal is rich in protein and healthy fats, perfect for building muscle and reducing inflammation. 2 eggs. Eggs are a complete source of protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle growth. They are also rich in vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in muscle strength. Recipe idea. An egg and avocado breakfast wrap. This combination provides protein, healthy fats, and fiber to support muscle health. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and contains probiotics that support gut health. Healthy digestion is essential for nutrient absorption, which is critical for muscle recovery. Recipe idea. A bowl of Greek yogurt with fresh berries and chia seeds. This is a perfect snack or breakfast to fuel your muscles. 4. Spinach. Spinach is a great source of magnesium, which helps regulate muscle function and reduces cramps. It's also high in antioxidants that help protect your muscles from oxidative stress. Recipe idea. Spinach and berry smoothie. Blend spinach with mixed berries, banana, and almond milk for a nutrient-packed drink. 5. Legumes, beans, lentils. Legumes are a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and iron. They support muscle growth and provide steady energy throughout the day. Recipe idea. Lentil stew with vegetables. This is a hearty, protein-rich meal that will keep you feeling full and support your muscle health. Conclusion: eat well, stay strong. Maintaining muscle strength after 60 requires conscious effort in both exercise and nutrition. By avoiding the eating habits that accelerate muscle loss and incorporating the right foods into your diet, you can improve your strength, mobility, and overall quality of life. Start small, make consistent changes, and you'll notice the difference in how you feel and move. Remember, aging doesn't have to mean weakening muscles. With the right food choices, you can maintain, and even build, muscle strength well into your senior years. So, embrace the power of good nutrition, and keep your muscles strong and healthy for many more years to come.